John Rawls' Theory of Justice is a profound philosophical work that challenges us to rethink fairness in society. It asks us to consider what a just society would look like if we were to design it from scratch without knowing our own place within it. At its core is the idea of the veil of ignorance, a thought experiment that strips away our personal biases. Imagine you're tasked with designing the rules of society, but you don't know your own position, your wealth, gender, race, or social status are hidden from you. This means you could end up being anyone from the wealthiest individual to the most disadvantaged. This thought experiment ensures decisions are made without bias. By removing our personal circumstances from the equation, we are more likely to create rules that are fair and just for everyone. From behind this veil, Rawls argues, rational people would agree on two principles of justice. The first principle is that everyone deserves equal basic rights and liberties, ensuring fundamental freedoms are safeguarded for all. These rights and liberties include freedom of speech, the right to vote, and the right to personal property, among others. The second principle is that social and economic inequalities are permissible only if they benefit the least advantaged members of society. This means that while inequalities can exist, they must work to improve the situation of those who are worst off. For instance, higher incomes or authority are acceptable if they create opportunities and improve conditions for the less fortunate. This approach isn't about making everyone equal, it's about structuring society in a way that prioritizes fairness and justice for those who need it most. Rawls' vision inspires us to create systems that balance equality with practical realities, fostering a society that truly works for everyone. Imagine a world where policies are designed with the most vulnerable in mind, where every decision is scrutinized for its impact on the least advantaged. This would mean rethinking our approach to education, healthcare, and economic opportunities, ensuring that everyone has a fair chance to succeed. Rawls's theory encourages us to look beyond our own interests and consider the greater good, promoting a sense of community and shared responsibility. It's a call to action for policymakers, educators, and citizens alike to strive for a more just and equitable society. Could this be the blueprint for a just world? By embracing Rawls's principles, we can work towards a future where fairness and justice are at the heart of our social structures.